I'll jump in with one creative idea, and this is a bit of an older story, but Burger King's detour story. And I thought this was pretty clever, is that they actually used geofencing, to interact with folks. Like, I think that's pretty clever. And so you get the trust to get the app downloaded, you get the trust to enable notifications, and then you build these kind of creative experiences with the people who've opted in. And you're creating this kind of exclusive feel, right? You're creating this feeling where, oh, I'm kind of special. I get offered a free Whopper because I started to drive towards McDonald's. So creating those experiences where you're bringing people through the journey, you're earning each, kind of step in their mind space, I think has been really clever to hear from our customers. We also have another customer who's considering looking at license plates as part of their identifier, which mParticle can pull that in and help enrich that into their user profile, which is pretty slick, right? So that you would drive up to the drive-thru and the menu would change for you. So I think that there's some creative things. And like we've also heard from customers who use credit cards if they don't have full user profiles on that, and that creates another identifier, which has been really neat to hear all the different use cases. Especially, we also have customers who are moving from a digital world, now creating a brick and mortar, going the other direction, right? And how they are building up the trust to do push notifications, or they're doing direct mail pieces to people, kind of adding in some extra exclusivity, some fun to this. Also keeping in part of their portfolio, of course, passive ads, pulling them to the next stage of the journey, then asking for a transaction. I think that that's a different mentality than we've had in the past of like, instead of ads just running to a transaction, it's like, hey, we're gonna woo you, we're gonna earn your trust, we're gonna show that we understand your needs, we're gonna prove to you that we can meet those needs, and then we're going to meet them and fulfill over and beyond your expectations. And so I think brands that are shining right now are really thinking about kind of the extra experiences they can add on. They're a bit more creative.